the 2026 Underground Sound Cypher.
Swag, swag, swag.
Captain Swag?
Swag, 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 Cow swag, swaggin', cow swag trappin', cow swag boomin', cow swag swixin', cow swag comin' to your trap with Mac 11. Cow swag for your bitch, she said my dick like heaven. I'm the type of nigga walkin' to your trap with no socks. You the type of nigga to your room, don't roll black.
Here's a Soulja Boy flow.
That boy think that he in black ops. I be seeing numbers, bitch, I feel like I'm in black ops. Bitch, I'm swagged out, so I went to the grocery store. I ain't see the whore, so a nigga left the grocery store. Sucking dick, then a nigga don't wanna talk no more. I'm so flipped up, you can see it coming out my pores. Cow swag, flex on Rolex,
I mean,
like he been 10.
Yo, he got a flow, but his bars and his delivery is fucking doo-doo, nigga.
He say he's flexing shit that a nigga been. Out flexing me, nigga, I don't think there's no way. I'm so high, I went to Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. Bitch talk crazy, block a hoe like the Kimbe. This swag so global, I got white hoes in Norway.
Hey, but he lucky spaz. He lucky was spazzing.
What? Slick? Yo, LA, NYC, I got jet lag. Smoke runs where my head at. Fit red back, taste that back. I done went up, don't know how to act. She got me blocked, bitch, she call me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match.
Wait, she got me blocked, then call me back. Nigga, hold on, nigga. You lucky spaz right now.
She got me blocked, bitch, she call me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match.
Louis Vuitton with the Glock to match.
First thing you come in last. She better song, then she run it back. They going denim all over my ass. Niggas be hype, really they be ass. Stay outside, I don't even rap. Hollow, get to the bag. Then I go sit back and relax. Damn, sit back, smoke. Ask nigga out like tic-tac-toe. A lot of these niggas be stealing no fans.
Ask this nigga out like tic-tac-toe. Hold on, he's spazzing. Hold on.
Hit the ground and money on the floor. Can't come around you acting like a hoe. Too many chops, any money mo. Virginia Beach, better not be alone.
Hold on. This nigga lucky spaz. God damn. Hold on.
LA, NYC, I got jet lag. Smoke runs where my head at. Fit red back, taste that back. I done went up, don't know how to act. She got me blocked, bitch, she call me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match.
Louis Vuitton with the Glock to match though, nigga. That nigga's gonna Louis Vuitton with the Glock to match, nigga.
Stop letting them gas you up. Just know that we slide, nigga, we turn it up. Got all types of hoes, don't know who to choose. Shit, I just need me a nut. Got a young nigga mad, she still with the game, boy. She said if you saying it's up, it's stuck. Now these niggas mad at us. I stay out the way, I'm counting my hundreds, confused, I'm running it up. Just pop me a 10, I'm about to get tight. Finna go up in the function. Talking like hoes, a young nigga home, shit, it really ain't nothing. Love my hoe so much, I can't even choose who I want.
Okay.
Stay with no bitch who stay with an attitude, get it gone. I'm picking and choosing, I do what I want. Girl, I know I'm wrong.
Okay.
I'm picking that money before I choose you, cause we ain't lasting long.
Okay. Yo, give me Alex on this bitch.
What's your horn, I'm rocking the bed. Play with me, I'ma fill you with lead. No cap, I'ma aim for the head. All these bitches, they know I'm the man. All these bitches, they know I'm the man.
That was kind of mid. I'm gonna give it P. That was mid. The first two brought the hype in. Hold on, who this? Green, something. This nigga feats. Hold on. Nigga, this is this Che? Is this a baby Che? Okay, all right. So he got the non-vicious aesthetic, and he got that Che flow. Hello, he sound like Skyward and Che low key a little bit. Okay, I don't even know what the fuck he's saying. But them boots is ass though. Yo, what is this nigga saying? That shit was ass though. I'm gonna keep it P. He got spring back with back.
Both my bitch the same. Both my cars the same. Right stop, put on chain.
Damn.
Know her name. Went from none to fame. Y'all know my pain. Same with all my hoes. I stayed in my lane.
Yeah.
Time I rip my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weed. I go through the weeds. I'm still pulling weeds. Run me like a gene. Yeah, she treat me like Jesus.
Oh my God.
Celine, double G.
Hold on, yo. This nigga flow nasty. I fuck with this nigga flow. He got potential. He got potential. I don't know this nigga name, but this thing got potential though. This nigga got potential.
My bitches take it visas down. Rockin' star, bounce inside my seat. It's hot, go keep it up. Both my bitch the same. Both my cars the same. Right stop, put on chain. I don't even know her name.
Damn.
Went from none to fame.
Oh my God.
I know my pain. Same with all my hoes. I stayed in my lane.
Yeah.
Meantime, I rip my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weed.
Yo, hey, I like this nigga flow. He got potential. He's potential.
I get higher than the egg. Chill out, it is go shit dog. Or the truck all white, Mr. Clint. My packet 100% blue in. Nigga, baby, mama just no color. I with another nigga broad, I put it on D&D.
Alright, yo, what the fuck is going on? Yo, this right here is garbage. Yo, this is garbage.
This is garbage.
This is trash. And the nigga jeans tight as fuck. Yo, this is trash. Yo, this is garbage. Mini pants OD tight. Babies.
I'm up to motherfucker true like a pendle. I'm not a nigga, gon' play like a random. Lots of them bumping, they fire at 10. If that shit not a Connie, they answer. She wanna touch to that, why we not handsome? I send me nigga like Ty DBS.
Okay.
Shit feel like I get hammered. Turn on the pun, I put less in your chest. Yeah, I'm pulling my pocket, no, it's not a dance. Should've went motherfucker, honey, wrist.
I don't know what you talking about.
No, they surprise you a bitch. Nigga got fist, not hoe getting candy. I'm gonna let you put lines of tryst.
Yo, I only understood hands and cannon and lines of tris. Yo, what's up with this beat? Can you catch the beat, or is it me, or is he not catching the beat, or the beat not catching him?
I'm not set by bummy. Trying to bounce up shit like Kevin and Kill. In a patch of meal. Can't play any nigga I swim. Had any nigga shot down. But the church got a lot for that bar. None of them niggas ride random. And it's 13 on 26. Look, on the knees I funny.
I ain't a lot. I don't know how I feel about that. Who the hell is this? Too Slimy? I think I heard this nigga. Oh yeah, yo, this right here. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, this sound, I don't think I ever listened to this nigga music before, but this sound right here is like the most experimental beat I ever heard in my life. This shit sound crazy. It's too much shit going on in this. What the fuck is up with this beat? What the hell is this? Who is this nigga? And what is this beat? What is this? Nigga, is this shit like futuristic? I don't know what the fuck is going on. What? Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that was, dogs.
Fuck that lineup, this shit weak. Look at me, Mario made it geek.
Oh, wait, nah, that was disrespectful. Yo, that was disrespectful.
Fuck that lineup, this shit weak. Look at me, Mario made it geek. Pop the pay, who high to me, who fly to me, nobody beat. Put on my head, get a hoe, he love, follow me.
Wait, that's hard, nigga. He got the trizz on a keychain? That's hard. That's hard. That's hard. Look, everybody stop moving when it said fuck this lineup, nigga.
Put a lapel inside her purse. Hang out a nut, that little boy scared to shoot. I tell her go to church. Try what I want, fuck what I like, bitch. I got rich off words. Yeah, I made that pull out 10, they about to give me Kirk. Yeah, poppin' that RP, bitch, I'm fried. My eyes wild like dirt, like yeah. I got a bitch, she from the island, just like Ruby work. Shooter got around the dawn, send him on mission. Tell her rock and turn.
Okay, damn.
Beverly bitch, she Persian. If I'm not fucking your hoe, I'm probably in the studio working. If I'm not blowing the phone, I'm popping on Xbox, I go crazy.
Yo, he look flowing. I like this nigga flow. That was tough.
Saw the devil in Minneapolis, that bitch
Not proxy. Huh?
Twisted like my fucking dreads are thinning. I'm a go, I invest in women, proxy next to Finnet. Feel like I'm the best up in my fucking class, yeah, I admit it.
Okay.
Hungry stomach spinning, my music bumping, drums are hitting. Like the ocean tides are shifting. No, it's my time, I've been sprinting. No, I'm not like other niggas, and my bitch not other women. Niggas asking for some substance and they put like nothing in it.
Okay.
Bitch on my dick, on my mama, I might slap a bitch. Bitch on the knees. Calm capping, I could teach you.
Oh my, okay. Hold on.
Is a passion. 20/20 vision as a kid, I wanted glasses.
Damn.
Might be fasting. I don't want the beat without the 4-step and the clapping. Tricks off the kids like the motherfucking rabbit.
Oh my god.
Gotta grab it. Just speaking knocking, told them niggas.
Yo, this nigga spaz. Yo, who is this nigga producer? That was tough. He had me in the first half. I ain't gonna lie. He almost had me. I thought he was gonna be on some beat boop bop shit. You feel me?
Speakers up. Get it chicken like some Popeyes, I'ma piece you up.
Oh my god.
Deal with the Jews, yeah, they lease me up. Smoke more weed than that nigga with Khalifa. I'm a flexer up in bank rolls on the teachers.
Oh my god.
In high school, I had bankroll in the bleachers.
Oh my god. What the fuck? What the hell? I don't even know what the fuck is. What? What is the sound? What is this sound? This nigga not even saying words, just beat. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, what the fuck was that? I guess though, dog, but that was looking tough though. Wasn't bad. Couple of them looking had some flows. Couple of them had some flows, dog. Couple of them had some flows.
Yeah, gasoline, sweet. Catch me like torch. Money talk, hey. I've been hearing voice. Money talk, hey.